This year, in this Lokutsav, we would like to introduce our new Chakki fortified atta, or pink salt, and all the cold pressed oil, 4 types of cold pressed oil. Let me also tell the importance of each one and how they would benefit. First is the cold pressed oil. It would be coconut oil, groundnut oil, sunflower or safflower. All these oils are cold pressed, meaning there is no chemical added, it's pure. As compared to the market available oils, they are refined oils and lose all the nutrition which they have through the process. They don't lose the nutrition value in them. And this pink salt is sourced from Himalayas itself and has 84 extra minerals in it. And fortified atta, as we know, the fortified rice, it has added vitamins and minerals into it.